So today I had a great conversation about what costs are added on top of a mortgage payment. I just had a client who was really asking a lot of great questions, and I took the time to answer them, and they were very grateful because they said they were talking to their realtor and the realtor wasn't really getting back to them. So here in a nutshell are some costs you're going to have besides your mortgage payment, which your mortgage payment is principal, interest, taxes, mortgage insurance, and HOA dues. But on top of that, what else are you going to see? Well, number one, your water bill. If you have a single family home, you're responsible to pay your water bill. What does that run? Well, it's going to depend on your municipality. But on average, it could be anywhere from $40 to maybe $150. So maybe go in the middle and think $80 a month for a water bill. Then you're going to have a gas bill, an electric bill, your cable or internet bill. And I would set aside, typically a percentage of your mortgage payment for annual maintenance and, repair costs. That we can discuss based on your purchase price. So I don't really have a concrete number for you, but it depends on, what purchase price you're buying at, what you should set aside in what we call like an emergency fund. So those are some of the costs you're going to see when buying a home on top of your normal PITI. Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.